Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a quick outline picture in Adobe Photoshop. This is super simple and easy in my opinion. So just insert an image and remove the background of the image because we just need that. So I'm just going to delete this. Then to desaturate, go to Image, Adjustments, and go to Desaturate, like so. Then we are going to go to filters and we're going to go to the filter gallery. Okay, hold on. You'll need the glowing edge. You can adjust the edge width here if you'd like to, depending on like your picture, I guess. I'll just do 3 and then I'll do 8 and 5. Alright, once you're done, you're going to select this button and press the screen one. I think I might adjust it a little bit more by pressing Control L to go to levels. Here I'm just going to adjust the lines a little bit more. It just depends on like your style as well, I guess. Press OK and you're done. I think I might adjust the filter a little bit again later, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!